Hello, I'm Sophie from Carlisle Audi, and today I'll be showing you around this brand new Audi S3 Sportback Black Edition. This striking S3 comes finished in Python yellow and comes fitted with the 2-litre TFSI petrol engine and S-Tronic automatic gearbox, allowing you to push 333 PS. This S3 is also ULEZ compliant, allowing you to travel anywhere you wish without fines to pay. To the front of the vehicle you'll find a set of matrix LED headlights designed to perfectly illuminate the road, no matter the driving conditions. This vehicle sits on a set of 19-inch gloss-turned alloy wheels that beautifully complement the exterior finishes. These are fitted with optional red brake calipers. The rear windows are fitted with privacy glass that not only enhances your privacy within the vehicle but also adds to the sleek modern exterior finishes. Perfect for a modern driver. To the rear you'll find a set of rear parking sensors that work in unison with the reversing camera, designed to make parking and manoeuvring your vehicle a doddle. This S3 comes fitted with an electronically powered tailgate which allows you easy access to your storage area. As you can see, there's plenty of space for anything you may travel with. Moving into the rear of the vehicle, we have 3 rear seats with a folding down armrest designed to enhance the comfort of rear passengers. The outer of these seats come fitted with Isofix. You'll also find the rear fitted with vents and charging points. The front seats are electronically adjustable, allowing you to easily adjust your seat back to its perfect position. The driver's side comes with a memory function, and this vehicle comes with the SONOS sound system alongside a wireless charger. This Audi is fitted with a sunroof which can be easily operated using buttons in the roof. This floods the cabin with natural light, perfect for the summer months. This vehicle comes with 2-zone climate control which can be easily adjusted via the buttons in the front. The front seats are also heated, perfect for keeping you warm on chilly mornings. The dash is equipped with an MMI touchscreen which allows you to control the DAB radio system, mobile phone connectivity which includes use of Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as navigation system. As you can see, the screen is incredibly easy to use, and once reverse is selected, the 360 camera will appear upon the screen, allowing you to easily park and manoeuvre your vehicle no matter how tight the space. This vehicle also comes with Park Assist, allowing you to park and unpark your car at just the touch of a button. In front of the driver is the multifunction steering wheel which allows you to control the music, cruise control and your Audi virtual cockpit. Here you'll see information about your car, your phone connectivity and your navigation system, allowing you to easily use your sat-nav whilst on the move. This vehicle also comes with a head-up display which projects important information such as your speed and the speed limit at eye level onto your windscreen, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road as you travel. That concludes our 360 walk around this Audi S3 Sportback Black Edition. Thank you so much for watching. For any further inquiries, please don't hesitate to get in touch.